What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today I just installed me a new vent cowl on my Foxbody Mustang that I got from LMR. So I'll give y'all a look at it. There it is. Yeah, it's very nice. Very nice, and it fits real good. And these are very easy to install. All you have to do really is just unclip this and pull that up, and that comes off, and then you just slide this vent cowl over the windshield wiper there, that hole there, go over there, and then you just screw it down with 6 Phillips screws. But you have one right there, and one right there, and one right there, and right there, and 2 on the other side. Very simple. Doesn't take long at all. Took me probably around, like, I'll say about 10 minutes. I had to fight getting this thing off. It's kind of hard getting it off on mine. Oh yeah, and also you might want to put some tape above your windshield wipers when you take them off, so you can be able to line it up. Now, I didn't have to take this one off, but you might want to take it off so you can get better to the screw, but that's up to you. I just took that one off, that's it, and it worked fine with me. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And I like it that it's open up in here. Very open up. I'll give you a look at my old one that I had. Get it. This is my old one. And I only had an opening right here. And I just didn't like it. It just didn't look good with it. To me, it didn't. And this one only had like 4 screws. So I went ahead and just changed this one. Changed it over to this, which looks a lot better to me. A lot better. And also, if you want to know what kind of hood I got, I'll give you a look at my hood. I had to put that down. Sorry about moving around. But this is my hood. It is a ram hood, I believe is what they call it, the ram hood. And this hood fits real good with this vent cowl. It doesn't touch when you raise it up. And over here, it doesn't it barely don't touch. It's got a little bit of space. I know it may not look like it, but it does got a little bit. It doesn't quite touch. But it works good. No rubbing issues with this hood or nothing. So yeah, that's what it looks like now. And I like it. Like it. So that's gonna do it about this video. Just wanted to give y'all a look at it. And my new little vent grill. So thanks for watching, y'all. Like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later.